Hello friends, you're welcome back to our video for today. We'll be looking at PixelVerse listing. You know it's going to be happening today. So what I'm bringing to you now is an official update that has to do with the listing and as well as claiming your tokens. Now, for those of us who are already mining this PixelVerse tokens, which is PIXFI, that's the name of the token. You may have had a lot of stories, a lot of information people are dishing out here and there, and some of us are trying to do this and that. It gets a lot of problems. But most of this information we get are people just coming on whatever they want to come out with. They are not getting this as official information. So what I'm going to show you now is an official release from the system. Now let me read. It says, PIXFI will be listed on major centralized exchanges on July 18 at 12 p.m. UTC. Yes. So in the question of around 2 hours time now you'll be trading this coin. Look at the major exchanges where it's going to be initially listed. All the exchanges are going to come after. You're going to have Bybit, HTS, Gate, BitGet, and MESC. So that's where it will be trading. Remember, this is trading. These are exchanges where we're trading. They are different from the wallet you are going to use to withdraw, because the exchanges where this will be trading is different from the wallet the system wants you to withdraw these tokens from. For those of us who don't understand all these crypto terms, you need to understand exchange is quite different. In every exchange, trading goes on, but yes, certain exchanges still have wallets in them. In fact, every exchange has a wallet. But there are wallets, some Web3 wallets, they are not exchanges. Like you talk about MetaMask, talk about Trust Wallet, and so many of them. Even stuff like Bybit has its own Web3 wallet that is not just an exchange. You have so many of them. BitGet has Web3 wallets that's not an exchange. You understand? So that's the information. It says stay tuned. The system says stay tuned. It didn't say go and do something like this, go to the dashboard. He has not given such information. It says stay tuned for more information about the future of PIXFI and its many tokens utilities once it goes live. We'll be announcing the claiming process. They say they will be announcing the claiming process. But we have been seeing a lot of information out there. Look at what you must do for you to claim. We'll be announcing the claiming process before listing. You will be able to use your Web3 wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet, Web3, Bybit Web3, and so many of them for your withdrawal. So this is exactly what the system is saying, and that's what you expected to look up for. So these are authentic information I'm bringing up to you. So everybody get ready, get prepared. Believe in God that all your efforts will not just be made because you didn't do this and do that like people are saying. That definitely every one of us, we're going to get something from this token. You're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell because we have updates. This month is a month of so many listings. So you're going to see these updates coming over and over again. Share this video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.